Exploring Emma Watson's English countryside. Emma Watson, renowned for her role as Hermione Granger in the Harry Potter series, has a deep affection for the serene beauty and timeless charm of the English countryside. Away from the spotlight, Emma finds solace and inspiration in exploring the picturesque landscapes, historic villages, and cultural treasures that dot the English countryside. Let's delve into Emma Watson's favorite destinations and experiences in the English countryside, where she immerses herself in its rich history, natural beauty, and tranquil ambience. The Cotswolds, quintessential charm and idyllic villages. The Cotswolds, with its rolling hills, quaint stone cottages, and meandering country lanes, holds a special place in Emma Watson's heart. This area of outstanding natural beauty, AONB, is renowned for its quintessential English charm and picturesque villages. Emma often escapes to villages like Castlecombe, Bibury, and Bourton-on-the-Water, where time seems to stand still amidst honey-colored cottages and blooming gardens. Strolling along ancient footpaths, Emma discovers hidden gems such as historic churches, centuries-old pubs, and artisanal shops selling local crafts. One of Emma's favorite activities in the Cotswolds is exploring its historic estates and gardens. Places like Blenheim Palace, the birthplace of Winston Churchill, and Sudeley Castle, with its stunning gardens and rich Tudor history, offer Emma a glimpse into England's aristocratic past. She finds inspiration in the meticulously landscaped gardens, where vibrant flowers, serene ponds, and manicured lawns create a peaceful oasis. Whether she's enjoying a traditional cream tea in a cozy tea room or attending a local farmer's market, Emma relishes the Cotswolds' tranquil pace of life and its timeless beauty. Lake District, majestic landscapes and outdoor adventures. The Lake District, England's largest national park, captivates Emma Watson with its majestic landscapes and rugged beauty. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, offering Emma a range of exhilarating activities amidst its stunning scenery. Emma enjoys hiking along scenic trails such as the challenging ascent of Scafell Pike, England's highest peak, or the picturesque paths around Derwentwater and Ullswater lakes. The panoramic views of rolling hills, shimmering lakes, and towering peaks provide Emma with a sense of peace and awe-inspiring beauty. Beyond hiking, Emma embraces the Lake District's spirit of adventure through activities like kayaking on Coniston Water or paddleboarding on Windermere, England's largest lake. The tranquil waters and pristine surroundings allow Emma to connect with nature and experience the park's natural wonders up close. She also explores the region's cultural heritage by visiting historic sites such as Dove Cottage, the former home of poet William Wordsworth, and Beatrix Potter's Hilltop Farm, where she gains insight into the lives of literary legends who found inspiration in the Lake District's landscapes. Yorkshire Dales, wild moors and charming villages. The Yorkshire Dales, with its wild moors, rugged cliffs, and picturesque valleys, offers Emma Watson a dramatic and evocative landscape to explore. This national park in northern England is known for its stunning scenery and rich cultural heritage, making it a perfect retreat for Emma's love of nature and history. Emma enjoys hiking across the windswept moors of Swaldale and Wensleydale, where she encounters cascading waterfalls, ancient stone ruins, and panoramic vistas that stretch for miles. The peaceful solitude and unspoiled beauty of the Yorkshire Dales provide Emma with a sense of serenity and a connection to England's wild side. In addition to its natural beauty, Emma is drawn to the charming villages and market towns that dot the Yorkshire Dales. Places like Hawes, Brassington, and Richmond offer Emma a glimpse into rural English life, with their quaint stone buildings, cozy pubs serving hearty Yorkshire puddings, and local markets bustling with handmade crafts and fresh produce. Norfolk Broads. The Norfolk Broads, a network of navigable rivers and lakes in East Anglia, offers Emma Watson a serene escape into a world of tranquil waterways and abundant wildlife. This unique wetland area, often referred to as Britain's magical waterland, is a haven for nature lovers and boating enthusiasts alike. Emma explores the Broads aboard a traditional wooden boat or a sleek yacht, navigating through reed-fringed waterways and open expanses of sparkling lakes. The Broads' peaceful atmosphere and unspoiled landscapes allow Emma to unwind and observe a diverse array of birdlife, from graceful swans to colorful kingfishers. Emma also enjoys exploring the Broads' picturesque villages and market towns, such as Wroxham, Horning, and Ranworth, where thatched cottages and historic churches line the water's edge. Peak District. The Peak District National Park, located in central England, holds a special allure for Emma Watson with its rugged peaks, wild moorlands, and ancient woodlands. As Britain's first national park, the Peak District offers Emma a diverse range of landscapes and outdoor activities to explore. She enjoys hiking along the challenging trails of Kinder Scout and Mam Tor, where panoramic views of sweeping valleys and dramatic rock formations unfold before her eyes. The sense of achievement from conquering these peaks and the serene beauty of the surrounding countryside provide Emma with a deep connection to nature. In addition to its natural beauty, the Peak District is home to historic estates and stately homes that reflect England's rich cultural heritage. Emma visits Chatsworth House, known as the Palace of the Peak, with its magnificent gardens, art collections, and grand architecture. Cornwall. Cornwall, England's southwestern tip, captivates Emma Watson with its rugged coastline, sandy beaches, and artistic communities. This region, known for its maritime heritage and creative spirit, offers Emma a blend of natural beauty and cultural experiences that inspire her artistic pursuits. Emma explores Cornwall's picturesque fishing villages such as Stives, Mousehole, and Port Isaac, where colorful cottages cling to steep hillsides overlooking bustling harbors and turquoise seas. The timeless charm and maritime traditions of these villages provide Emma with a glimpse into Cornwall's seafaring past and vibrant coastal culture. One of Emma's favorite activities in Cornwall is walking along the South-West Coast Path, which winds its way along towering cliffs, secluded coves, and sandy beaches. Kent. Kent, often referred to as the Garden of England, offers Emma Watson a lush and verdant landscape dotted with historic castles, grand estates, and enchanting gardens. This southeastern county boasts a rich horticultural heritage and a wealth of cultural attractions that captivate Emma's imagination. She explores iconic gardens such as Sissinghurst Castle Garden, with its romantic layout and vibrant floral displays designed by Veda Sackville West. The tranquil beauty and historical significance of these gardens provide Emma with a peaceful retreat and a deeper appreciation for the art of garden design. Devon. Devon, on England's southwestern coast, offers Emma Watson a tranquil retreat with its rugged moorlands, sandy beaches, and picturesque villages. This county, known for its natural beauty and maritime heritage, provides Emma with a blend of coastal escapes and outdoor adventures. Emma explores the windswept landscapes of Dartmoor National Park, where granite tors rise dramatically from the heather-covered moors. Hiking across Dartmoor, Emma encounters ancient stone circles, medieval clapper bridges, and wild ponies grazing amid the mist-shrouded hills. The sense of solitude and the raw beauty of Dartmoor's wilderness offer Emma a chance to reconnect with nature and explore its untamed landscapes. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.